Artificial intelligence is the ability of a computer program to learn and think. Everything can be considered artificial intelligence if it involves a program doing something that we would normally think would rely on the intelligence of a human. Artificial intelligence is one of the emerging technologies which tries to simulate human reasoning in AI systems. John McCarthy invented the term artificial intelligence in the year 1950. He said every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. An attempt will be made to find how to make machines use language, form abstractions, and concepts, solve kinds of problems now reserved for humans, and improve themselves. The advantage of artificial intelligence applications are enormous and can revolutionize any professional sector. Let's see some of them. 1. Reduction in human error. The phrase human error was born because humans make mistakes from time to time. Computers, however, do not make these mistakes if they are programmed properly. With artificial intelligence, the decisions are taken from the previously gathered information applying a certain set of algorithms. So errors are reduced and the chance of reaching accuracy with a greater degree of precision is a possibility. Example, in weather forecasting using AI they have reduced the majority of human error. 2. Takes risks instead of humans. This is one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence. We can overcome many risky limitations of humans by developing an AI robot, which in turn can do the risky things for us. Let it be going to Mars, defuse a bomb, explore the deepest parts of oceans, mining for coal and oil. It can be used effectively in any kind of natural or man-made disasters. Example: have you heard about the Chernobyl nuclear power plant explosion in Ukraine? At that time, there were no AI-powered robots that can help us to minimize the effect of radiation by controlling the fire in early stages. As any human when close to the core was dead in a matter of minutes. They eventually poured sand and boron from helicopters from a mere distance. AI robots can be used in such situations where intervention can be hazardous. 3. Available 24/7. An average human will work for 6 hours a day excluding the breaks. Humans are built in such a way to get some time out for refreshing themselves and get ready for a new day of work, and they even have weekly off to stay intact with their work life and personal life. But using AI, we can make machines work 24/7 without any breaks, and they don't even get bored, unlike humans. Example: educational institutes and helpline centers are getting many queries and issues which can be handled effectively using AI. 4. Helping in repetitive jobs. In our day-to-day work, we will be performing many repetitive works like sending a thanking mail, verifying certain documents for errors, and many more things. Using artificial intelligence, we can productively automate these mundane tasks and can even remove boring tasks for humans and free them up to be increasingly creative. Example: in banks, we often see many verifications of documents to get a loan, which is a repetitive task for the owner of the bank. Using AI cognitive automation, the owner can speed up the process of verifying the documents, by which both the customers and the owner will be benefited. 5. Digital assistants. Some of the highly advanced organizations use digital assistants to interact with users, which saves the need for human resources. The digital assistants also used in many websites to provide things that users want. We can chat with them about what we are looking for. Some chatbots are designed in such a way that it's become hard to determine that we are chatting with a chatbot or a human being. Example, we all know that organizations have a customer support team that needs to clarify the doubts and queries of the customers. Using AI, the organizations can set up a voice bot or chatbot which can help customers with all their queries. We can see many organizations already started using them on their websites and mobile applications. 6. Faster decisions. Using AI alongside other technologies, we can make machines take decisions faster than a human and carry out actions quicker. While taking a decision, human will analyze many factors both emotionally and practically, but AI-powered machine works on what it is programmed and delivers the results in a faster way. Example, we all have played chess games in Windows. It is nearly impossible to beat CPU in the hard mode because of the AI behind that game. It will take the best possible step in a very short time according to algorithms used behind it. 7. Daily applications. Daily applications such as Apple's Siri, Windows Cortana, Google's OK Google are frequently used in our daily routine, whether it is for searching a location, taking a selfie, making a phone call, replying to a mail, and many more. Example, around 20 years ago, when we are planning to go somewhere, we used to ask a person who already went there for the directions. But now all we have to do is say, "Okay Google, where is the place?" It will show you that place's location on Google Map and the best path between you and the place. 8. New inventions. AI is powering many inventions in almost every domain which will help humans solve the majority of complex problems. Example, recently doctors can predict breast cancer in the woman at early stages using advanced AI-based technologies. As every bright side has a darker version in it, artificial intelligence also has some disadvantages. Let's see some of them. 1. High cost of creation. As AI is updating every day, the hardware and software need to get updated with time to meet the latest requirements. Machines need repairing and maintenance which need plenty of costs. Its creation requires huge cost as they are very complex machines. 2. Making humans lazy. AI is making humans lazy with its applications, automating the majority of the work. Humans tend to get addicted to these inventions which can cause a problem to future generations. 3. Unemployment. As AI is replacing the majority of the repetitive tasks and other works with robots, human interference is becoming less, which will cause a major problem in the employment standards. Every organization is looking to replace the minimum qualified individuals with AI robots which can do similar work with more efficiency. 4. No emotions. There is no doubt that machines are much better when it comes to working efficiently, but they cannot replace the human connection that makes the team. Machines cannot develop a bond with humans, which is an essential attribute when it comes to team management. 5. Lacking out-of-box thinking. Machines can perform only those tasks which they are designed or programmed to do. Anything out of that, they tend to crash or give irrelevant outputs, which could be a major backdrop. Summary. These are some advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. Every new invention or breakthrough will have both, but we as humans need to take care of that and use the positive sides of invention to create a better world. Artificial intelligence has massive potential advantages. The key for humans will ensure the rise of the robots doesn't get out of hand. Some people also say that artificial intelligence can destroy human civilization if it goes into the wrong hands. But still, none of the AI applications made at that scale that can destroy or enslave humanity.